Gratitude. Ant. Kite, bird. Hunter. River. Leaf. Tree. Once upon a time, an ant was busy gathering food on the banks of a river. A sudden gust of wind blew the ant away onto a leaf and into the river. It was just a matter of time before the ant would drown into the bagging rapids. It felt that leaf ride is better than a boat ride. The ant was scared from its tiny heart. At that time, a kite was flying in the sky. It dives towards the water, mistakes the leaf for a fish, and the kite dives down. Pick up the leaf with the ant on it. Realizing the mistake, it drops the leaf on a hard ground. Many days later, while the ant was searching for food, it sees a hunter in a forest. And he saw that the hunter was aiming at the bird which had saved the ant's life. So, in need, he wants to save the bird's life. As the hunter takes aim, the ant rushes to the hunter, bites him very hardly. The hunter screams in pain. The arrow misses the target and the bird flies away. The ant has repaid its debit of gratitude.